Sure jealous of this old boiler, Dad.
Why shouldn't I be? My boy, she's part of me. Or maybe I'm just part of her, I don't know. I took her out on her first run. And I hope I'll be at her throttle when I make my last.
Too bad the old heat's out of date.
What do you mean out of date? You're talking about the Hurricane Express. The fastest train in the country. The fastest train in any country. Out of date. Huh.
Well, I wasn't comparing her to trains.
Them things. The Hurricane Express gets you there on time. She's safe, and she's sure.
Okay, Dad. You stick to your engine and I'll stick to my plane. And I'll beat you to Springfield by 3 hours, as usual.
Oh, yeah?
I believe Jordan told the truth. There must be someone behind all these wrecks, someone with a grudge against the railroad.
Why, Larry, what makes you say that?
Didn't you notice how Carlson acted in there? He was afraid of something. He knew more than he told. And I'm going down to Plainville tonight and check up on him.
Larry, what good would that do you?
I intend to find the man that caused that wreck and murdered my father.